10,000 years to hit $1, Shiba Inu holder says, and this is why. 10,000 years? That's a lot of time. Let's go over this information and I'll give you what I think after this. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. And you are watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now, 10,000 years to hit $1. If you're part of the SHIB army, you may not like this. However, it does have some interesting information here. Okay, the Twitter user that you see right here, I'll just highlight the name, okay? Highlight this right now. Posted a sarcastic comment under the SHIB burn post, stating that if these small burns continue and no massive chunk, okay, of SHIB begins to get burned, the second largest meme coin will need 10,000 years to hit $1. Now, he has to understand that the Shibarian is supposed to help out with the burn, and I believe it will be released this year. Also, those other things in the work to help out with the burn. So he probably was being sarcastic. At the time of the SHIB burn tweet publication, the amount of Shiba Inu destroyed in the past 24 hours total 5 million coins, basically 5 million, which I understand that does need to get ramped up because the supply SHIB is huge. Now, this is 35.24% lower than yesterday's burn when nearly 8 million SHIB were removed from circulation and then locked in unsuspendable wallets. Now, overall, last year, according to SHIB burn, more than 83 billion Shiba Inu were sent to the dead end wallet by joint efforts of the Shiba Inu community. They may want to continue that as well until the Shibarian gets created, and also because it's a lot of burn. But 10,000 years to $1, it really depends on the plan to burn and to grow the whole ecosystem. You need more holders there. You also need things that's going to help out with utility. Everything that should be considered burn, basically. And they got bones going to be part of Shibarian in terms of the gas fees. What's going to be used in terms of SHIB burn? 10,000 years to hit $1 is sarcastic. I don't think it'll take 10,000 years. He's being sarcastic, but he does have a point. They do need to burn more than, I don't know, what did he say here? 8 million, 5 million coins per day. They may want to ramp that up, but it will down the road. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. 10,000 years, come on. I know, it's a laugh, but some people may take that seriously, but I'm not taking it seriously. I kind of laugh, ha 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 ha. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. The captain's here, and I'll see you on the next video.